Hi, my name is Praveen. I'm from Telangana state. I belong to Warangal district. I completed my graduation in electrical and electronics engineering from Rajiv Gandhi University, Basa in the year 2021. Once I completed my graduation, I decided to go for full stack developer role. So I was a triple graduate. I did not know much about coding. My coding skills are very poor. So I enrolled into UniKaksha's Tech Bit program. UniKaksha Tech Bit program is a 100% job guarantee program where they will train the students related to full stack development course. So the classes are completely online. Every day you will have 2 hours of live classes where the trainer will teach you the concepts, and at the moment you need to write the code. So the classes are completely interactive. The trainer will teach you, and at the moment you need to write the code. So if you have any doubt, you can clear the doubts at the moment. And every student will have, and in every batch there are only limited students. So the trainer will focus on each and every student. And once you complete a certain topic, you will have assignments related to that topic. So you need to finish the assignments too. The assignments are completely tricky. I think you cannot find the assignments in Google too. So I've been practicing that assignments from last 4 months. So now my coding skills are completely improved, and I've been designed some websites too. So and every Saturday you have group classes too. So where they will teach you some industry oriented topics, um, and uh, and and the trainer is very supportive, and they have a lot of patience to clear out doubts. So so if anybody wants to become a full stack developer, then UniKaksha is the best choice for you to join. um, and